terms of the AP 9, 17, 25, so on must be taken to give a sum of 636. ఈ ఏపీలో ఇలా చేసుకుంటూ పోతే ఎన్ని టర్మ్స్ సమ్ మీకు 636 అవుతుంది. ఓకే, see what is the given AP first. Okay, given AP, what is the AP? 9, 17, 25, so on. Okay, here what is the value of A1? A1 is 9, A2 is 17, A3 is 25. Okay, so Sn is also given. So Sn is 636. Now we will find the value of n. Okay, first what is D? D formula. What is the D? Equals to A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1, that is 17 minus 9, that is 8. Okay, 17 minus 9 is 8. Okay, now since Sn equals to 636, now we will find the value of n. What is the Sn formula? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d equals to 636. So we don't know the value of n by 2. Okay, n by 2 into 2, a value 9 plus n minus 1, d value 8 equals to 636. So n by 2 9s are 18. n into 8 is 8n, minus 1 into 8 is minus 8 equals to 636. So n by 2, 18 minus 8, 10 plus 8n equals to 636. So take here 2 is the common. So n by 2 into 8, 2 is the common. 2, 5 is the 10, 2, 4 is the 8 equals to 636. Now 2 to get cancelled. So now n into 5 is 5n, n into 4n is 4n square. 4n square equals to 636. 5n plus 4n square. 636 transpose left side, minus 636 equals to 0. Okay, now so write in a proper order. So 4n square plus 5n, 4n square minus 5n minus 636 equals to 0. Compare this equation into quadratic equation. Compare an square plus bn plus c equals to 0. Where a equals to how much? 4. B equals to 5. C equals to minus 636. Okay, what is the quadratic formula? N equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, minus b minus 5 plus or minus b square. B value how much? 5 square minus 4ac. 4 into a into c value minus 636. Okay, by 2a. 2 times of a value 4. Okay, so minus 5 plus or minus 5 square value 25. Okay, negative is positive plus. So 4 4 is 16. 16 times of 636. 636 into 16. 6 6 is 36. 6 3 is 18. 18 plus 3 is 21. 6 6 is 36. 36 plus 2 is 38. 1 6 is 6. 1 3 is 1 6 is. Okay, so 6 7 11 1 0 1 7 6 by 8. So add 25 to this number. So 6 plus 5 is 11. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. 1 2 102 10,201. This value is square root of 10,201 by 8. Okay, now we will find the square root of 10,201. Okay, 10,201. So 1 1s are 1. So 2. 1 double is 2. Okay, 1 double is 2. Take the 2 decimals next. So take 0. Again 1. So 101. Exact value is 101. 10,200 square root of 10,201 is 101 by 8. That means minus 5 plus 101 by 8. Next, minus 5 minus 101 by 8. Okay, 101 minus 5 is how much? So 96. 96 by 8. Second one is minus 116 by 8. Now see. So 96 by 8. 96 by 8 value how much? 8 ones are 8 twos are. So here 2, 1, 2, 12. Here minus 8 ones are 8. 3 balance. 8 fours are 32. 4 balance 14.5. Okay. See, therefore the values of n are 12 and n equals to 12, and one more value n equals to minus 14.5. Okay. But number of terms is not possible in negative. Therefore the value of n is 14, because negative terms are not possible. So negative number of terms are not possible. So therefore the value of n is 12.